Welcome to another amazing video. Today I'll be taking you through this gorgeous estate and give you a house tour of this amazing mansion. I'll also be giving you information on how you can get to own a unit for yourself, and be part of this beautiful community. I'm your host Annie, and this is Annie's Adventures in an episode of Properties with me. Stay tuned for more. Allow me to give you a house tour of this wonderful house. But before that, let me give you a few details about this house. It's situated on a 40 by 80 plot and it's located in Ruiru off Githunguri Road. Just a few minutes drive from Ruiru town, away from the busy Ruiru town. So come with me, I give you the house tour of this wonderful house. Let's start off with our living area or our lounge. The first thing you notice is the color theme, which is black and white, which is well done and gives this room an elegance and that class that that we need to see in houses. Then we have this our black chandelier. You can see it's not overly big or small, it's just good size which complements the area, so that you can be able to notice other things around the room. Flowing with our theme color, the dining area is all white, you can notice that, and also our gypsum, which are very beautifully done, can also be noticed, and our chandelier as well is black in color. You see, from where I'm standing, you can already notice the kitchen, which is semi-closed kitchen and has these cabinets which can be accessed from both sides. That is the kitchen area from the kitchen area side and from the dining area side. Despite having the rooms all en suite, we have a separate guest washroom just next to the living room. Probably you can use it when you're on the ground floor and you don't want to go upstairs, which is convenient for you. Let's walk to our kitchen. Immediately you notice it's all white and bits of black color. It's semi-closed, and the good thing with a semi-closed kitchen is it's not completely closed, so you can be able to still have a conversation with someone at the dining area while you are at the kitchen, which is an advantage because you keep the conversation going. Let's say if it's guests that you have, and still you maintain order on the other side of the kitchen. Everyone's dream kitchen includes a complete set of high-end appliances, and this kitchen is not an exemption. So guys, allow me to take you through so that you can see what I'm trying to say. We have our fitted kitchen cabinets which are easy to open and close, leaving you a scoop of space to personalize your kitchen. You just arrange your kitchen the way you love it, that's why we've left some space for you. Then we have our stainless steel hood, which allows you to enjoy cooking, and then the smell, you don't want to cook here and it's smelling in the whole house, so the hood allows to suck in all that air that you don't want in your other places other than the kitchen. Then guys, moving on, we have our fitted cooker and oven which are ready to use. It's just you be ready, imagine, and you continue with your business in the kitchen. Guys, this space is modern, it's spacious. Can you check out our countertops, which are granite? It's very easy to clean and to maintain. Check out those tiles, which are very clean. They are of high quality and they are white in color. Just white gives you this peace in your kitchen. While you're cooking, you don't see many multiple colors. No, it's just white and bits of black. We have 4 bedrooms in total, 1 room downstairs and 3 upstairs. They are all en suite. Let's check them out. Let's take a walk upstairs and see what we have. But before that, we can't ignore these beautifully done stairways. They are short and precise exactly as how it should be. Nobody wants to take countless steps upstairs. bedroom is of good size. It has fitted wardrobes, the light is well lit and has fresh air, good sized window. It's a master ensuite. The second bedroom is so similar with the first one, with the same fittings, same size, most of the things are quite similar. The final and master bedroom, it's quite spacious than the rest of the rooms. And guys, guess what? It has a walk-in closet with his and her side and hers and his side, guys, and a separate washroom. Please watch and see what I mean. This room has also a balcony, and this door opens up to the balcony, which you can have a view for the estate. And you can chill after a long busy weekend or busy week. You relax and rewind. In front of your house there's a beautifully well manicured small garden which complements this house. It also has a parking for about 2 cars, where you enjoy to see your cars just in front of your house. I'm sure many will ask, what about our children? Where will they be playing? Is it safe? It's 100% safe. We have a play area for kids and guaranteed 24/7 security in a safe and serene environment.
These houses are for sale. 80% of the houses are already sold. Only 20% remaining. Make sure you grab yours before they are totally sold out. They are going for 16.5 Kenya shilling million. And don't forget to contact us if you're interested with this particular house. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share this channel to other people. Thank you. Bye bye.